Eduardo says, can you file a 601A concurrently with the DS-260? So no. So let me back up so people know what's going on. If you enter the United States without permission, or you overstay a tourist visa, and you overstay to a point where you will be subject to what's called a 3 or 10-year bar if you leave the United States, you will need to submit a waiver to be able to overcome that before you go to your embassy interview. I'm saying a lot of stuff that people who are in the process will understand. A lot of people might not understand. It's more complicated. But the essence is, to get this waiver, first you have to get it approved. Then you can file the DS-260, but it doesn't make any sense. So when someone is doing an I-601A waiver for over residence, first they have to get the initial petition approved. Once that's approved, you can begin a step called consular processing. And for that, you need to submit a Form DS-260 and Form I-6 for all this kind of stuff. But there's no point in submitting that stuff to get an appointment because you need to get the waiver approved first. So you can submit the DS-260 if you want to, but then you're going to submit a 601A. That's going to be pending a year. And then you're going to go back into your case, and all the information you put in the Form DS-260 is going to be outdated, and you have to do it again potentially, or deal with some stuff like that. So there's no point for you to move the consular processing case forward other than paying the filing fees. But you just want the 601A to be approved, then you could jump on the DS-260. What's the rush? Pedro's asking, can someone who comes from India apply for a student visa? Anyone can apply for a student visa. Your location doesn't matter. It matters if you're really a student, if you're really getting out of school, and if it gets approved. So there's a lot of different factors. Your location being from India itself doesn't make a difference for the case for the most part. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.